what I make today. And please subscribe to my video and click the bell button. And I'll show you my ingredients later. They so yummy. Hello guys, this is Kylie again. And also, I'm making cookies and cream milk tea. And I have all the ingredients I need. I got fresh milk, ice, cookies, black pearl, and crushed Oreos. And I'm gonna mix the cookies with my milk. Watch me. Get the milk. It is cold. And I'm just putting fine. That's enough milk. And now I crush Oreos. And now I break half of the cookies. Get another one. And now I get another one. Now I grab another one. And now I get all the cookies I need. Here. And now I have to mix it. Now I locked. Now you lock it, it will not spill. Now you do when you stop, press 1. And now I have to open it. Open it, I see. It smells good. And now I put the cup. And now I put pearl. Only 1 spoon. This one is definitely sticky. That's okay, it's just an accident. I put this one in ice. And now I take the ice. Now I put this here. And now I put 1 ice at the same time. That's gonna fit. So now I put crushed Oreos. I put 1 scoop, and it's just needs to perfect. It needs to be perfect. Now you can only put 2 scoops. And now I put the lid in. Come on. Do it. Make sure it's and now Now let's do this. But you have to mix it. But first you take out this tissue. Now you drink it. After that, that's what I make today. And please subscribe to my video and click the bell button later. And the milk tea and the milkshake. We will do another video and another flavor. Goodbye, guys. And goodbye, guys. And please. And that's the end of the milkshake. And I'm gonna do another video later. Tastes so yummy. Subscribe to my channel, guys. And click the bell button, guys. I love you. Bye.